Ever wondered how a tiny mini amp can make your speakers sound louder, cleaner, and more powerful without taking up much space? A lot of people assume you need a huge amplifier to get serious sound, but mini amps have completely changed the game. Whether you're building a desktop audio setup, upgrading a car audio system, or creating a compact home theater, these little devices can deliver surprisingly impressive performance. In this video, you'll learn exactly how mini amps work, why they've become so popular, and whether they're actually worth buying for your setup. Stick around, because understanding this could save you money and help you get much better sound quality from your speakers. I will also be reviewing the top 5 best mini amps for subwoofers. Now let's talk about what a mini amp actually is. A mini amplifier is a compact electronic device designed to boost weak audio signals and send enough power to speakers so they can produce louder and clearer sound. Even though they're small, modern mini amps use advanced amplifier technology that allows them to deliver efficient power without generating massive heat like older amplifiers used to. Most mini amps rely on Class D amplification, which is known for high efficiency and low power consumption. That's one of the biggest reasons these amps can stay small while still pushing impressive audio output. Instead of wasting energy as heat, they convert most of that energy directly into sound. Next, let's discuss how mini amps work behind the scenes. Your phone, laptop, TV, or music player sends a weak audio signal into the amplifier. On its own, that signal isn't strong enough to properly move speaker drivers. The mini amp takes that tiny signal, increases its power, and sends it to the speakers with enough strength to produce full sound. Inside the amp, electronic components process the signal extremely quickly. The power supply feeds energy into the amplifier circuit, while transistors help boost the signal without heavily distorting the audio. That's why a good mini amp can make music sound richer, cleaner, and more dynamic even at higher volumes. And if you're enjoying this explanation so far, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with someone trying to improve their audio setup. Also comment below and let everyone know what kind of speakers or sound system you're using right now. Now let's talk about why so many people are switching to mini amps. The biggest advantage is space-saving convenience. You can place one on a desk, bookshelf, entertainment center, or even inside a small car setup without needing bulky equipment. They're also energy efficient, affordable, and surprisingly versatile. Many mini amps now include Bluetooth connectivity, USB inputs, subwoofer outputs, and even built-in DACs for better digital audio performance. For casual listeners and even many audio enthusiasts, that combination of compact size and strong sound quality is hard to ignore. So now that you know how mini amps work, the next big question is which mini amplifier is actually worth buying for a subwoofer setup. And honestly, that's where many people get stuck. Some mini amps sound weak, some struggle with bass control, and others simply don't deliver the clean low-end performance they promise. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best mini amplifiers for subwoofers that stand out for power, sound quality, efficiency, and overall value. Whether you're building a compact home theater, upgrading desktop audio, or powering a passive subwoofer on a budget, this list will help you find the right option for your setup. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below with your thoughts on mini subwoofer amps. And if you want the latest deals on the featured mini amps, check the Amazon links in the description. At number 5, we have the Nobsound Mini Mono Subwoofer Amplifier. This compact amp uses the popular TPA3116 Class D amplifier chip and delivers up to 100 watts of power. It comes with RCA and AUX inputs, a built-in low-pass filter, and support for home theater systems, bass shakers, gaming setups, and passive subwoofers. What makes this one interesting is how versatile it feels for the price. Even though it's physically tiny, it produces surprisingly controlled bass for smaller rooms or desktop audio systems. Looking at the specs and performance, the TPA3116 chip helps keep distortion low while maintaining good efficiency, so the amp stays relatively cool even during longer listening sessions. The downside is that it's not designed for extremely demanding subwoofers, especially if you want room-shaking output. But for compact setups, it performs better than many entry-level amps in this category. This is best for budget users building a small home audio or gaming bass setup. Coming in at number 4 is the Douk Audio G4 Subwoofer Mono Amplifier. This amp has become popular because it balances simplicity with surprisingly strong low-frequency performance. It features a compact mono amplifier design with adjustable bass controls that make tuning easier for different subwoofer types. Compared to other options in this price range, the G4 tends to sound tighter and cleaner than expected. Bass notes feel more controlled instead of muddy, which matters a lot for movies and music with heavy low-end content. Based on what most users report, setup is also straightforward, making it beginner-friendly for people entering the passive subwoofer world for the first time. One thing to keep in mind is that it works best in small to medium-sized listening spaces rather than very large rooms. This is best for users who want easy setup with clean and balanced bass performance. At number 3, we have the AIYIMA A3001 Mini Mono Amp. This model steps things up with the powerful TPA3255 Class D amplifier chip and includes a DC 36V 6A power adapter. It supports both full-frequency and sub-bass applications while delivering up to 300 watts maximum output. It also includes a built-in low-pass filter specifically designed for subwoofer performance. This amp stands out because it feels much more powerful than its compact size suggests. The low-end response has real punch, especially when paired with quality passive subwoofers. Music sounds energetic, while movies gain that deeper cinematic rumble many people want in a home theater setup. The biggest advantage here is headroom. Even when pushing volume harder, the amp maintains good clarity without sounding strained. The only small drawback is that some users may need extra tuning time to fully dial in their preferred bass response. This is best for people wanting stronger bass output without moving to a bulky full-sized amplifier. Now at number 2, we have the Fosi Audio TP02 Mini Subwoofer Amplifier. This amp uses the TDA7498E chip paired with the respected NE5532 op amp, and it delivers up to 220 watts of power. It also includes dedicated volume and frequency controls along with a very wide frequency response range. This is the kind of mini amp that immediately feels more refined once connected. Bass sounds deeper, cleaner, and more controlled, especially for music lovers who care about detail instead of just loudness. The adjustable crossover controls also make integration with bookshelf speakers or home theater systems much smoother. Another thing that helps the TP02 stand out is reliability. It consistently performs well across different passive subwoofer setups without feeling overly complicated to use. The only thing some buyers may notice is that maximum output depends heavily on the power supply and speaker matching. This is best for users wanting premium sound quality and flexible tuning controls. And finally, taking the top spot is the Fosi Audio M03 Mono Subwoofer Amplifier. This amp includes a 32V, 5A power supply and can deliver up to 200 watts of high-efficiency power output. It pushes 150 watts RMS into 4 ohm loads and 120 watts into 8 ohm loads, while also featuring a built-in low-pass filter with adjustable 20 to 300 Hz subwoofer frequency control. What really makes the M03 stand out is how balanced everything feels. It delivers strong bass output, excellent control, and enough clean power for most home subwoofer setups without becoming oversized or overly expensive. The bass response feels tight and impactful whether you're watching movies, gaming, or listening to music with deep low frequencies. It also gives users more precise control over subwoofer blending, which helps create a smoother and more natural listening experience overall. For many buyers, this hits the sweet spot between compact size, performance, and value. This is best for anyone wanting the strongest all-around mini amplifier for passive subwoofers. So those are the top 5 best mini amplifiers for subwoofers that are absolutely worth checking out right now. Whether you want affordable bass for a desktop setup or powerful low-end performance for a home theater system, there's a solid option here for almost every budget and room size. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with other audio enthusiasts. Also comment below and let everyone know which mini amp you'd pick for your setup. And don't forget to check the Amazon links in the description for the latest prices and deals on all the mini subwoofer amps featured in this list.